Huh? Is that right? So how should we do it? Stand in a straight line. Inside 2. Before you go, wash your hands and save water. Turn off the faucet. Boys, lift up the cover and aim well. Flush the toilet. Put it down for the next person. And wash your hands again, this time with soap. Make sure you see some bubbles. And don't forget to turn it off, the faucet. 1 paper towel's enough, and then no trash on the floor. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. Follow these beautiful rules, and we can make a beautiful place.
이 모든 캠페인은 태권도 에듀케이션 태듀가 함께합니다.